Welcome to Tech Talk Simplified. I'm Arun Kumar here with my co host Harlin. And today we're exploring something that's shaking up the world of media and advertising.
That's right. If you're in publishing, digital marketing, or content production, you know how chaotic media management can be. But what if we told you it doesn't have to be?
Whether you're a boutique agency or a big name publisher, agility is key. Most media teams juggle at least 5-10 tools just to get a single campaign off the ground.
And when those tools don't talk to each other, it creates silos, delays, and errors. Today, we look at how Zoho Creator, a powerful low code platform, is helping media companies streamline content, centralize operations, and gain full visibility, all without writing mountains of code. Let's start with the chaos. Picture this: you're running a campaign across Instagram, LinkedIn, Google Ads, and YouTube. Briefs are flying in through email, creatives are scattered across Google Drive, approvals are happening in WhatsApp groups, and feedback? It's hiding somewhere in a Slack thread.
And just when you're about to go live, someone's editing the wrong version of the banner. Familiar? Very.
Now imagine leadership asking for a campaign ROI report. What happens? Everyone scrambles to gather numbers from different platforms, usually hours before a meeting.
It's not just inefficient, it's a liability. Missed deadlines, outdated creatives, frustrated clients. Media companies don't need another file sharing app. They need a centralized, intelligent system tailored for their workflows.
That's where Zoho Creator steps in.
Here are 5 signs your media campaign is out of control. Still chasing approvals on WhatsApp? That's not a workflow, it's a wild goose chase. Can't find the final version of your creative? That's a recipe for rework. Scrambling to get numbers for every review meeting? You deserve better than spreadsheet panic. Your tools work but don't work together? That's the real bottleneck. Time to stop relying on patchwork. Build your own app with Zoho Creator.
Why your campaigns are failing before they even launch? It's campaign launch day. The client's asking for the deck. The designer is uploading the wrong banner. And the brief lost in a thread from last week. Let's hit pause. Sound familiar? This isn't just a one-off, it's a sign of a broken system. Let's talk about fixing it the smart way. Let's talk low code. With Zoho Creator, you don't need 5 different tools for one campaign. You build a single app for your process, campaigns, approvals, budgets, everything in one place. From setting up a content calendar to managing client approvals and seeing real-time performance, you do it all without writing full-scale code. Need campaign data by channel? Done. Want to see which creatives are still pending? It's just a filter away. The mess stops when your tools start talking to each other inside your app. Ditch the mess. Go low code with Zoho Creator. Zoho Creator is a low code platform that lets you build custom applications without a team of developers. Not templates, not one-size-fits-all solutions, your own workflow, your way.
Imagine building an app that includes a content calendar that moves campaigns from brief to execution to live. A media library where all assets are tagged, version controlled, and easily searchable. A client portal for uploading briefs, approving creatives, and downloading reports. And analytics dashboards that show real time performance by platform, client, or team.
And automation is at the heart of it. Tasks assigned automatically, client reminders triggered by deadlines, campaign performance updated live.
You can build simple workflows like daily checklists or complex approval chains with user roles, document versioning, and audit logs.
And the best part? You can do all this without writing full blown code. Just logic, drag and drop, and a little deluge scripting when needed.
Build your media stack without a developer. Still waiting on IT to fix your workflow? You could have built it yourself by now. Low code means the power to build is in your hands, not locked away with developers. With Zoho Creator, you can create your own stack from the ground up. Think content calendars, asset libraries, client approval flows, and analytics dashboards, all without full stack coding. Just start with logic and scale with automation. Everything built your way in Zoho Creator.
What if you could build your own media app without code? Campaigns scattered across emails, assets lost in drives, approvals on WhatsApp. It's a mess. But here's the question. What if you could build your own media app to fix all of that? With Zoho Creator, no complicated coding, no waiting on IT, just one platform, fully built around your workflow. Zoho Creator, one platform, your workflow. Do you know how agencies are automating campaign management? What if you could build your own app just for your team with zero heavy coding? That's exactly what forward thinking agencies are doing with Zoho Creator. You start by dragging in key fields like campaign name, platform, timeline, and budget. That's your live campaign calendar. Then you structure assets by organizing by version, format, and license. Add expiry rules so outdated content never slips through. Next, set up a secure client portal. Clients upload briefs, leave comments, and approve work in one place. All feedback is logged. Every version is tracked. Meanwhile, performance data updates dashboards in real time, so no more scrambling for ROI last minute. And the best part? It's all built in Zoho Creator. Low code, no IT backlog.
Let's dive into the 3 essential modules media teams rely on.
First, Campaign Manager. Here's what it handles. Platform, for example, Instagram, Google Ads, print, budget allocation, start and end dates, campaign status, assigned creatives, designers, and stakeholders.
You can create custom views, like all campaigns for client A running this month, or list of creatives pending approval.
Next, Media Asset Library. This isn't just storage, it's structured. Assets are searchable by format: image, video, script, project, version, license expiry, language.
There's drag and drop upload, previews, auto tagging, and even license expiry notifications to prevent using outdated creatives.
And finally, Client Interaction Portal. Clients log in securely to upload briefs, comment on designs, approve content, all activity logged and trackable.
No more digging through inboxes or WhatsApp for that final approval message. Everything's time stamped and centralized. Let's talk integrations. Most media teams rely on external tools like Google Ads, Meta, or Excel.
Zoho Creator connects easily with them. Zapier style connectors, REST APIs to pull ad performance metrics, push campaign data to Google Sheets, sync invoices with Zoho Books, QuickBooks, and more.
And mobile functionality is strong. Teams on the ground can upload behind the scenes videos from events, tag them by campaign, and publish to the asset library instantly.
Top 5 integrations for media teams: Google Drive, asset storage; WhatsApp, API, client approvals; Slack, real time team notifications; Meta Ads, performance data; Trello or Asana for agile sprints if preferred. Let's talk real world. A creative agency in Mumbai managing 30 plus brands faced serious workflow breakdowns.
10 designers, 5 campaign managers, and over 20 clients, all needing updates, reviews, and quick turnarounds.
They built a custom Zoho Creator app in 10 working days. It had internal project tracking, a campaign calendar, live creative feedback, client login portal, auto-generate invoices tied to budgets.
Result? They saved 10 to 15 hours per week, improved turnaround time, and even had a client ask to use the system for their own marketing.
And now they are exploring AI-based predictions inside Zoho Creator to flag delays before they happen.
Let's tackle some questions we've received online. Do I need to know coding to use Zoho Creator?
Not at all. It's low code, not no code. Most of it is drag and drop. For logic, there's dilute scripting, but it's readable, even for non-techies.
Can Zoho Creator replace my project management tool?
Yes. You can recreate your PM workflows inside Creator or integrate it with tools like Trello, Asana, or Zoho projects.
Is Zoho Creator secure enough for client data?
Absolutely. Role-based access, encryption, and detailed audit trails make it enterprise ready.
Can I white label the portal?
You can add your domain, logo, and brand colors. Clients won't even know it's Zoho. Before you dive in, here are 3 pro tips for building your first media app on Zoho Creator. Start small. Don't automate everything at once. Involve users early. Get feedback from designers and clients. Explore Zoho Marketplace for reusable components.
Also, run a pilot. Build for one campaign or client. Improve it and scale. Use Creator's in-app comment feature for feedback on creative drafts.
Push notifications are super handy too. Send alerts when approvals are pending or when a campaign goes live.
And remember, Zoho Creator is not just for developers. It's built for marketing managers, operations heads, and designers who want to simplify their day.
From planning and publishing to performance and payments, Zoho Creator brings your entire media lifecycle under one roof. Thinking of building your first app in Zoho Creator? Here are 3 things to keep in mind.
Don't build everything at once. Start with one campaign, one module. Expand as you go.
Talk to your designers, campaign leads, and clients. Their feedback shapes better workflows.
No need to start from scratch. Browse the Zoho marketplace. For pre built elements, you can adapt.
Simplify your media workflow, one custom app at a time. We've seen how Zoho Creator can bring structure to media workflows, but let's talk numbers. What kind of real ROI are agencies seeing?
Great point. On average, agencies using Zoho Creator report 20 to 30% faster campaign rollouts, 40 to 50% reduction in internal email and chat clutter, up to 15 hours saved per week on campaign coordination, and most importantly, happier clients who stick around longer.
And this isn't just about time, it's about mental clarity. When your team isn't constantly hunting down files or chasing approvals, they're more focused, more creative, and faster.
Let's highlight a few powerful features inside Zoho Creator that media teams are loving. Blueprints for approval chains. Define every step in your creative process, like brief received, then first draft, then client review, then final approval, with automated transitions and role based controls. Document generation. Automatically create proposal decks, campaign summaries, or invoices in PDF format, right from your campaign record. Conditional logic and dynamic fields. If a campaign is tagged influencer, new fields appear for influencer handles and contracts. For Google Ads, CPC and audience metrics fields pop up automatically. Custom notifications. Send push or email notifications when assets are uploaded, comments are added, or campaigns go live. Real time alerts means real time action. AI predictions. Use Zia, Zoho's AI engine, to predict delays, flag missing dependencies, or recommend optimal campaign durations based on historical data.
Before you dive in, let's help you avoid a few potholes we've seen along the road.
Trying to replicate your old system one on one. If your current workflow is broken, don't just copy it, improve it. Low code is your chance to rethink. Skipping the planning phase. Spend at least a day mapping your workflows, roles, and data needs. Sketch it out before you build it. Overcomplicating your first build. Start with one process. Maybe just campaign approval. Once it works, expand gradually. Not training your team. Zoho Creator is intuitive, but change is still change. A 1 hour walkthrough with your team can make all the difference.
We've talked about today, but what about tomorrow? Where's all this going?
We're seeing three key trends emerge. AI first campaign planning with tools like Zia. Teams can simulate campaign performance, spot bottlenecks, and even forecast ROI before launch. Integrated content life cycle management. From ideation to publishing to archival, apps like Zoho Creator will own the entire journey, reducing reliance on 4 to 5 separate tools. Client as collaborator models. Portals won't just be for approvals. Clients will co-create to upload references, track drafts, even A/B test assets within the platform.
It's all about transparency, speed, and adaptability. And low-code platforms like Zoho Creator are the toolkit behind that future.
Whether you're managing 5 clients or 50, the future isn't more tools. It's the right platform, one that adapts to your workflow, not the other way around. That wraps up today's episode of Tech Talk Simplified. If you're in media or advertising and tired of disconnected tools, Zoho Creator might just be your next best move.
Thanks for tuning in. Follow us for more real-world, low-code stories. And if you've got questions or want a shout-out, drop us a message on LinkedIn. Until next time, build smart, move fast.